Okay. Record. All right. Hopefully this is recorded. Okay. What I want to say is that that we should define it this way. Instead of using the E complement, we should use N because to stand for not detected as a inspection station. And then instead of using the E complement, we use a N. Okay, so that that means then we can answer the second question, which is B. I mean, what's the probability that given a probability defective item due to human error, given a human error, what is the given? One second. Let's return a defective item. Given it is N. Oh, sorry. Given it is N. Yeah. Given it is N, which is non-detected because it went to the customer. Okay. So what's the probability that it's due to human error? Okay, now that answers the question. So you should be able to answer this part of the question now by what? By doing multiply PM by what? Pn given M plus to get the PM and N. Then multiply PH by Pn given H to give Pn and H. Then to find a Pn by adding these two up, okay, similar to this one, okay, similar. You change the E to N, you will know what I'm talking about. Then plug in this formula, which is conditional probability formula, Pn, Ph, and N. All right. So P, N, okay, and H and N, and that will be your answer. Okay. I think this will be good. I think I give you help on most of the question, if not everyone. You should be prepared at least enough for working out these questions. Also, if you forget, then you refer back to the video and the hints to look at you will know how to answer these questions. Okay. All right, I think this should be good enough. Well, any questions?
No questions from me.
Okay. All right. Anybody else?
I'm good, Professor.
Okay. All right, very good. Okay, I will post these videos as soon as I can, and remember that in the first part of the video, because we got cut off, so I may split this video in two parts. That there's a little bit errors. You should use this one instead, okay? If you refer to it, but if you understand it already, then you should have no problem work out the questions. All right. Okay, I think this is a good point to stop. Meanwhile, if you have any question anytime during down the road during the week, don't hesitate to email me. Okay. I mean, post a question in discussion. Okay. All right. Good. All right, we'll call it an end here, and hope you have a very good night and a very good week into the study of the module this week.
Thanks,
Okay.
Professor.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye. See you.
Yep. Good night.
Have a good night.